Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I am catching up on my subscription boxes. I just filmed my June boutique, and now I am doing my July Facetory unboxing and my June Facetory review. Now, if you're new to my channel and you don't know what Facetory is, it is a Korean mask subscription service where you can get 4 or 7 sheet masks sent to you every month. I choose the Forever Fresh, which is the 4 masks sent, I think, for like $8.95 or somewhere around $9 a month. And then the 7 Luxe I did used to get, and you can look through my old videos to see what those are like. And I have a playlist of unboxings, so you can check that out. But that one I believe is around $20 a month for 7 masks. And I just like the 4 because I also get the Boutique Mask Maven, so that way I'm not too overwhelmed with masks. So let's start with my favorite part, which is the unbagging or unboxing of the new month. And this one has been sitting around since, I think, when is the date on this postage thing? There's no date on this postage thing, but I've had this for a while, and I think they're about to ship out the next one, so I better get on this. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You had me in aloha. I love the postcards they include. They're so fun. I never do anything with them, but I still like them. And the masks looks like is in the theme of just like tropical vacation. So that looks fun. So let's go ahead and just start going over the July Forever Fresh mask. And just so you know, when you do get this subscription, you do get a card explaining all the masks and how to use them, as well as a quick guide on how to use sheet masks. And then there's a discount code if you want to get the 7 Luxe box. The first mask in the July Forever Fresh is the Claire Cocktail Blue Hawaii mask. It has vitamin C, which brightens skin, and pineapple extract, which exfoliates and prevents blemishes and sun damage, and lemon extract, which helps you glow like there's no tomorrow. It contains a lot of antioxidants, so fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots should become a thing of the past. This mask sounds freaking amazing, and just looking at the ingredients, it's a very short ingredient list, so it's very clear to me that there is nothing that I know that I'm sensitive to in here, so I'm super excited about this. This sounds like a dream mask, and this one retails for $3, which I think is a very reasonable price if it lives up to all its claims. Next we have the El Molu Day Nature Mask Energizing Day. It retails for $2.50 and is a brightening, nourishing, and hydrating daily sheet mask that will have your skin feeling refreshed and ready for the hot summer days. Has vitamin C and other antioxidant rich ingredients, and the acerola cherry helps calm blemishes with astringent properties, while the royal jelly extract helps heal and moisturize skin. The only ingredient I'm concerned about with this one is the fragrance, but it is the very bottom ingredient, so I'm not too concerned, and it sounds super nice and refreshing. I would really love to do this mask again. Again, as if I've done it before, I'd love to do this mask. I'm so glad so far 2 out of 2 I can do. That's really exciting because like last month I think I couldn't do that many, but I don't remember, it's been a while. Next we have the Farm State Real Mango Essence Mask. It retails for $2.50 and brightens up your complexion and leaves you dewy and smelling like mango. I already know from trying this one in my boutique subscription that this is not a mask for me. I'm fairly certain I tried this in my boutique subscription and didn't like it. So I will be either having a roommate try this or saving this for a giveaway. I'm considering, instead of just having my roommates test all my masks, saving them for giveaways for you guys so you guys can enjoy some masks too. Let me know what you think about that idea in the comments down below. But yeah, not doing this one. The last mask is the MediHeal NMF Hydrating Mask. It provides calming and healing properties that will boost the moisture of your skin, leaving it plump, dewy, and healthy, and reduces inflammation, irritation, and acne, as well as moisturizing and protecting skin from damage and infection. And it retails for $2.50. This mask does have aloe in it. It is close to the bottom of the ingredients list, but considering how my skin has been upset lately from all the testing I've put it through, I'm going to either ask a roommate to try this one or give this one away. Even though I can only try 2 out of the 4 masks from this month, I'm pretty excited because those 2 sound so amazing. I will keep you guys posted if I am doing a giveaway. I'm still trying to decide if that's what I should do or if you guys would rather see these tested by somebody else. So please let me know in the comments. Now let's review the June Forever Fresh. The first mask from June is the Facetory SOS Restoring Mask with Royal Jelly. It leaves your skin feeling smooth, clear, and dewy. It has royal jelly and aloe, which are soothing, smoothing, and protecting. Avery tried this mask because obviously the aloe, I'm not touching it, and she thought it was very soothing and gentle, which is good because she's a little girl, so she doesn't need harsh stuff on her skin, and she would definitely do it again. And this does retail for $3.50. The next mask is the Beautiful Factor Glow Sponge Hydrating Mask. It has 3 layers of voluminous sponge. It is a super plush sheet mask that will immediately disperse skin calming and rejuvenating ingredients into the skin. It has a mild exfoliation and will soothe, hydrate, and brighten. Stephanie tried this one and she said it was very hydrating, very moisturizing, and very relaxing. She would definitely do this one again. The next mask is the Yada Brightening Mask Pack. It has citrus, aurantifolia, aka lime fruit extract, and niacinamide, and it will give your skin a beautiful and even tone while brightening your complexion and providing your skin with hydration. It retails for $3.50. I tried this one. This was the only one out of the entire month that I could try, and I did really enjoy it. I would do it again. It was kind of a disappointment that there was only one that I could do. The last mask is the Moksha Deer Aloe Mask. It retails for $3.50 and includes green tea, aloe, chamomile, and cactus extract that will calm and heal and balance, as well as calm irritated and stressed skin. This one Stephanie tried and she said it smelled nice and it was moisturizing, but it was one of those sopping wet masks that is just not enjoyable for her, so she would not do this one again. Now, was the month of June worth it? 3 out of the 4 masks were recommend repurchases from all that tested, so I would say yes, but at the same time, me personally, I could only try 1 mask, so I don't think that was worth it for me, but they were good masks overall, except that super wet one. So let me know your thoughts down below on these masks if you're going to pick any of them up. Any of the ones I do recommend, I do link individually. Facetory does sell these masks individually, and you can go ahead and check them out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already. I will see you guys next time. Bye.